Hello student. In the last class of partial fraction, we were study about how to solve the question based on second type. We started, so now we will continue how to solve the question based on second type of partial. What is the second type? In which the nature of the factors of the denominator are linear and repeated. So look at this example. Look at the factors of the denominator, linear and repeated. This is linear only, but this factor is linear and repeated. And how to solve this? Applying this rule, a upon x minus 1, b upon x minus 1 का square. I have already explained कि अगर यहाँ पर x minus 1 की जगह square की जगह 3 होता, cube होता, तो we have to write 3 times a upon x minus 1, b upon x minus 1 का square plus c upon x minus 1 का cube, then t upon x plus 2. Okay? Now, but how to solve this? So, take the LCM. And now, look at this. There are two linear factors, x minus 1 to x plus 2. So, follow like the method number 1. फर्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या करा था, 1 by 1 फैक्टर लीनियर फैक्टर को 0 बनाया था और हमने सॉल्व किया था. तो प्रोसीड लाइक दिस. Here what is the first linear factor? X minus 1. To put x is equal to 1 to make this 0. So when you put x1, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. The value of b is 1 upon 3. Okay? Now put x is equal to minus 2 to make this linear factor 0. X plus 2 है ना, तो minus 2. So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. What is the value of c? So 2 is equal to 2 minus 1. 1 का square 1. The value of c is 1 upon 2. Sorry, the value of c is 2. Because there are two linear factors, we easily get the value of b and c. What about a? How to find the value of a? No more linear factor is left. अब क्या करें? So for this we have to compare the coefficients. अब look at this case in which a is the coefficient of, whether it is the coefficient of x square term or the coefficient of x or the constant term, तो आपको थोड़ा जज करना पड़ेगा. Open, right? I'm writing this again. And now I'm comparing the coefficient of x square term. Here no x square term in the left hand side, so 0. What is the coefficient of x square? A. What is the coefficient of x square? Nothing. What is the coefficient of x square? Is c. I am repeating again this step. Please follow. When you multiply these two brackets, x into x square, the coefficient of x square is a. Here no term of having x square in this bracket, so okay. When you open a minus b का whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1, again the coefficient of x square is c. So put the value of c here 2. So a value of a is minus 2. Now put these values of a, b and c here. Put this value of a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 1 by 3 and c is equal to 2. And then do the integration. You know how to solve the integration? तो देखो मैं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ इसको. I am putting the value here. Integration of x upon x minus 1 का whole square x plus 2 is equal to, what is a? Minus 2 integration of 1 upon x minus 1. Okay. Then what is the value of b? 1 upon 3 dx upon x minus 1 का whole square. Then c, what is c? 2 dx upon x plus 2. So you know how to integrate 1 upon x minus 1. How to integrate this x minus 1 का whole square? By putting x minus 1 is equal to t and then convert dx into dt. It's clear? You know how to solve this question by integration that we have already done in the method of integration by substitution. Yeah, method of simple method of solving the integration question. X minus 1 को t मानेंगे तो t x dx is converted into dt, then integrate, and again this is very simple. Integration of 1 upon x plus 2 is log x plus 2. यहाँ पर log x minus 1 इसको t मान के substitution rule से solve करेंगे and get the answer of ABC. So this is the question based on second type where the factors of denominators are linear but repeated. Now we will move to the third type in which the factors are quadratic but not repeated. Third type की तरफ जाना है जहां पर factors are quadratic but not repeated. Okay? So I am taking the question from the NCERT book. This is the question from the NCERT book. Look at the factors of the denominator. This is linear but this factor is a quadratic. तो ये थोड़ी कहा कि quadratic के साथ linear नहीं होना चाहिए. Condition ये है कि the third type is the factors of the denominator quadratic but not repeated. Quadratic तो हो सकता है, quadratic के साथ linear हो सकता है ये ना भी हो सकता है इसकी जगह 2 हो, 1 plus x, 2 minus x, 1 plus x, x minus 3 and 1 is quadratic. तो the rule is एक तरीका हमारा मतलब ये है कि how to solve such question of partial when the factors having quadratic but not repeated. So how to solve? पहले partial solve करें. For the linear there is the rule you know very well. But here look at this. This is quadratic. For the quadratic, the rule is okay. Because the quadratic is there, so we have to use two coefficient. One with x and one is constant. That is c. Okay, a हो चुका था ना, इसलिए bx plus c. अब if the question like this, अगर ऐसा होता a upon this, b upon this, then becomes cx plus d upon this. ऐसा हो जाए. It's clear to you? There are two linear factors. So for linear factors, we have to follow the rule like the previous one, the first one, and for the quadratic, cx plus d. क्योंकि a already used, b already used, तो for quadratic cx plus d. अगर ये होता ही नहीं तो it is to be solved like ax plus b upon 1 plus x. ये अगर ये नहीं होता क्वेश्चन like this, only one quadratic factor होता और non repeated होता, तो we have to solve like this. So it's clear how to solve the factors if the denominator having factors quadratic but not repeated. Third type of math question. So how to solve? LCM. Look at this. There is only one linear factor, so apply this particular method. Okay, putting put x is equal to -1. इसको 0 बनाना है ना, तो x is equal to -1. So 2 as it is. When you put x is equal to -1 here, तो -1 का square 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. When you put x is equal to -1, the whole term is become 0. So a की value is 1. Now how to find the value of b and c? No linear factor is left. So now apply the second rule. Compare the coefficient of like term. पहले हम x स्क्वायर के टर्म का कोफिशिएंट कंपेयर करेंगे, फिर जरूरत पड़ी तो x का करेंगे, फिर जरूरत पड़ी तो कांस्टेंट करेंगे. So no, now I am writing this again. ठीक है. Now compare the coefficient of x square. X square term के coefficient. There is no x square term here, 0. What is the coefficient of x square here is a. What is the coefficient of x square here? Bx into x, that is bx square, that is b. Put the value of a is 1. So the value of b is -1. Now one more value we need to find, that is c. So now compare the coefficient of x. Compare the coefficient of x term. Again there is no x term here. The coefficient is 0 here, no x term here. Okay, what is the bx into, that is b, and what is c into x, that is c. Look at the bracket, open it. Bx into 1, that is bx, the coefficient of x is b. Bx into x square, bx square, okay. C into 1, that is c, okay. C into x, that is c, the coefficient of x is c. So put the value of b here, -1, so c is 1. So put the value of c, a and b in the question. Put the value of a, b and c and then integrate it. And you know how to integrate. It's clear? So it's clear up to 3 types of question. First type, when the factors of denominators are linear but not repeated. Second type, how to solve when the factors are linear but repeated. And the third type, when the factors are quadratic but not repeated. Clear? So we practice for such questions from the NCERT book. This is very important chapter for you. Thank you very much. We will continue in the next class, inshallah, the 4th type. Till then, goodbye.